Hi friends, welcome back. In previous lecture, that is lecture number 13, we have studied what is swing features and difference between AWT and swing. Also we have studied J-applet. In this lecture number 14, we are going to study some controls present in swing, that are icons, labels, text fields, text area. In swing, icons are encapsulated by the image icon class. We are going to create icons, and these are encapsulated by the image icon class, which paints an icon from an image. Two of its constructors are shown here: image icon into bracket string file name. Second constructor, image icon URL uniform resource locator and its object URL. These are the two constructors provided for image icon class. Image icon string file name, image icon URL. The first form uses the image in the file named file name. We are directly passing the image name or file name. The second form uses the image in the resource identified by URL. We are passing the total path of that URL image. The image icon class implements the icon interface that declares the method shown here. The image icon class implements the icon interface and that provides some methods, and these are shown below. Method and its description: integer get icon height, which returns the height of the icon in pixels. Integer get icon width returns the width of the icon in pixels. Wide paint icon into bracket component comp graphics g integer x integer y. Paint icon method paints the icon at position xy on the graphics context g, and additional information about the paint operation can be provided in component comp. These are the three methods provided by image icon class: get icon height, get icon width, paint icon. These methods. Next is the labels. Label is an informative control, or which is a passive control, which can't do any task, but it gives the information to the user. Labels in swing labels are instances of the JLabel class, which extends J component. Meaning of this is that J component is the superclass for swing components, that are the label. Swing labels are instances of the JLabel class which extends J component. It can display text and or an icon. On this label we can take the icon as well as text, or simply icon or simply text, or combination of these two. Some of its constructors are shown here. Label constructors: JLabel into bracket icon I. Second constructor, JLabel into bracket string yes. Here J is missing, so you can consider that JLabel into bracket string yes. Third, JLabel into bracket string yes icon I integer alignment. Here yes and I are the text and icon used for the label. The align argument is either left, right, center, leading or trailing. Left alignment, right alignment, center, leading or trailing. Like this align argument specifies. These constants are defined in the swing constants interface. Left, right, center, leading or trailing. These are written in capital letter, and so these are the swing constants, and these are specified in the interface swing constants interface, along with several others used by the swing classes. The icon and text associated with the label can be read and written by the following methods. Some methods of the extra methods: icon get icon, which returns the icon of the label; string get text, which returns the text of the J label; wide set icon icon I, which sets the icon for the J label; wide set text string yes, set text sets the text for the J label. Here I and yes are the icon and text respectively. The following example illustrates how to create and display a label containing both an icon and a string. The applet begins by getting its content pane. Here J applet begins by getting its content pane. Next, an image icon object is created for the file img.jpg. See the output of this. In this output there is one label which have the icon painted on it and text IC. Like this output is there. This is used as the second argument to the JLabel constructor. The first and last arguments for the JLabel constructor are the label text and the alignment. Finally, the label is added to the content pane. See the example. Here, first import the packages. Import java.awt.star, import javax.swing.star semicolon. Here we need to import the swing package, and that is resided in a javax.swing package. Next, start multi-line comment. Start the applet tag, applet code equal to JLabel demo, width equal to 250, height equal to 150. Close this tag, close the applet tag, close the multi-line comment. Start class, public class JLabel demo extends JApplet. In previous videos we have extended only applet, but in this we are performing swing related operations or swing constants. We are studying components, swing components, so we need to extend the JApplet. Start the body of the class, open curly bracket, take the init method, public void init, open close, start this method, open curly bracket. Here we need to call the get content pane method, or to get the content pane, container content pane, or you can write here cp container cp equal to get content pane. This line is important for JApplet. Directly we are not calling the add method, we need to get the content pane. After this content pane we are calling the add method container cp equal to get content pane. Next, create the object of image icon ii equal to new image icon, into bracket double quotation. here we have passed file name img.jpg. Directly we are passing the file name here img.jpg. Next, create the object of JLabel. JLabel JL equal to new JLabel into bracket IC. It is a string text for the label, comma II is the image icon, comma JLabel dot center. Alignment we are specified here is the center. JLabel dot center. Next, call the content panes object, that is cp dot add JL. This adds the JLabel to the JApplet. Next, close the init method, close the class. Like this you can do the program for JLabel with icon and run this program. See the output. Java C JLabel demo.java. Applet viewer, JLabel.java. See here label is displayed. This is the label, and to that label string IC is attached here. This is the IC, and here this is the label control painted on the JApplet window. Like this you can see the output for the labels. Like this we can perform the icons with label or labels with icon. Next, text field control. The swing text field is encapsulated by the JText component class, or JText field is the subclass of JText component class, also, and JText component which extends the JComponent class. The swing text field is encapsulated by the JText component class which extends JComponent. It provides functionality that is common to swing text components. One of its subclasses is JText field and also JText area, which allows us to edit one line of text. JText field which allows us to edit one line of text, and its constructors are JText field integer columns, JText field string yes integer calls, JText field string yes. Like these constructors are there. Here yes is the string to be presented and calls is the number of columns in the text field. Following example illustrates how to create a text field. The applet begins by getting its content pane, and then flow layout is assigned as its layout manager. Next, a JText field object is created and is added to the content pane. And see the output for this. This is the output. See the example how we can use JText field. First thing, we need to import the packages. Import java.awt.star, import javax.swing.star, start the multi-line comment, start applet code equal to JText field demo, width 300, height 50, close this tag, applet tag, close the applet tag, close multi-line comment, start class, public class JText field demo extends JApplet, open curly bracket, jText field, its instance JTF. Start the init method, public void init open circle curly bracket container content pane equal to get content pane method. We are getting the content pane, container content pane equal to get content pane method, content pane dot cp dot or content pane dot set layout into bracket new flow layout. We are setting the flow layout for this content pane. JTF equal to new jText field 15. We are specified calls value 15. After this, content pane dot add into bracket JTF. After creating the JTF, we need to add to the content pane, and content pane dot add JTF. Bracket complete semicolon. Close the init method. Close the class. Like this way, you can create jText field. See the output for this. Java C jText field demo. Applet viewer. jText field demo. This is the output for this, the jText field. See here color theme for the swing controls, that is a superior theme is displayed on the screen, and this is the jText field output. Like way you can use the jText field control. Next we are going to see the jText area. Creating text area by using jText area class. Unlike the text field, text area allows the user to input multiple lines of text. To create a text area in Swing, we need to use jText area class. The jText area class uses plain document model. Therefore, it cannot display multiple fonts in a text area. The display area of the jText area is controlled by its rows and columns properties. We often use the jText area with scroll pane to add horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Scroll pane we are going to study in next lectures. It is used with the, or often we can use the jText area with scroll pane to add horizontal and vertical scroll bars. Some constructors of jText area and its meaning. Public jText area creates a new text area. A default model is created. Rows or columns are set to 0. The initial text is null, default constructor. Second, public jText area document doc string text integer rows integer columns creates a new text area with given document and number of columns and rows. Public jText area into bracket string text, which creates a new text area with a given text with row and columns are set to 0. A default model is created. Fourth constructor, public jText area integer rows integer columns creates a new text area with given rows or columns. Fifth constructor, public jText area string text integer columns creates a new text field with given text and number of columns. Example for this, how we can use jText area. See the output on the screen. jText area demo, text area which having the horizontal and vertical scroll bars added. Like this you can perform the example. See the example. JText area demo. Import the packages. Import javax.awt, javax.swing.star, import java.awt.star, start class, public class, JText area demo. Open the class body, open curly bracket, public static void main. Here we are using the frame, public static void main, into bracket string array args. Open this class, open curly bracket, final jframe, frame its instance, new jframe, and string title here passing JText area demo. Next, JText area ta equal to new JText area 10,20. Next, use the scroll pen, jscroll pen sp equal to new jscroll pen, pass the text area here ta, jscroll pen sp equal to new jscroll pen into bracket ta, bracket complete, semicolon. Next, frame dot set layout, we are setting the layout for this frame, frame dot set layout into bracket new flow layout. Next, frame dot set default close operation, this is one method which is used to close the frame. Frame dot set default close operation into bracket jframe dot exit underscore on underscore close. This is we need to write in capital letters. This is the constant. Frame dot set default close operation into bracket jframe dot exit underscore on underscore close, which closes the frame when we are clicking on the close button of the frame. Next, for setting the size, set size, frame dot set size into bracket 300, 220, bracket complete, semicolon. Next, frame dot, when we are not getting, we need to get the content pen, call the content pen, then frame dot get content pen method dot add sp, scroll pen we have added, in scroll pen we have added the ta, text area, like this. Next, to become visible or frame by default it is not visible, to show on the screen we need to pass the true, frame dot set visible into bracket true, like this. Close the constructor, or what is this, main method, and close the class. Like this you can perform the text area programming, or simple program you can also perform text area. And see the output of this example. Java C JText area demo, applet viewer, no, this is a frame program, so directly you can by using java space hyphen cp dot JText area demo. See, here it is the output of the text area. This way you can create the text area control and type here hi. Like this you can create JText area example. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe the video.